Disclaimer, I told you this disclaimer in the other video, but I need to tell you here also. I bit my tongue and it really hurts, so I'm talking a little bit funny, got a little bit more saliva in my mouth than usual. Yummy. Welcome back, guys. Quickly going into it, we're going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging. This is a continuation from my BOXYCHARM unbagging. This was my BOXYCHARM unboxing minus the horrific event that happened. If you didn't check that video out, go ahead and check it out. I'll have it linked down below for that disaster. Next up, I'm going to be opening up my Ipsy bag for this month. Hopefully it won't go as poorly. What's in here? There's a brush in here. Let's start with the brush unboxing. I do love brushes. This is from Farah. It's 22-3 Shade and Blend. I'm not the biggest fan of double-ended brushes. I mean, I get it, you're saving space, but I also can't put it into like a cup or anything because I'm gonna mess up the bristle. It doesn't feel awful. It's very interesting. Definitely synthetic. Just a double-ended brush. I do love getting brushes. Brushes are cool. This was the bag. It looks like this. I think glitter's gonna be everywhere. I can't tell if this is glitter from the bag or glitter from the BOXYCHARM unboxing. But let's open the bag now. The card in here has, ooh, this reminds me of the BOXYCHARM unboxing. This says, don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. Homie, don't tell me Glam Bag Plus is here if I don't have the Glam Bag Plus, and nor do I really want it. Aw, is this motivational? Keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. I'm very allergic to grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, not the BOXYCHARM lipstick, but know that your glow comes from within. Throw caution to the breeze, embrace your windblown hair. Buy flowers for yourself, write love notes to your friends, wake up to watch the sunrise, sneak back under the covers. Onto the bag. This is very cute. That's my first reaction. This is eggplant clearing cleansing foam. Yeah, we actually just washed my face with BOXYCHARM, and I don't know that I want to wash it right after because my face is gonna fall off and go dry. This says it's a cleansing foam though. Let's wash my hand. Okay. It says eggplant clearing 5.5 cleansing foam offers a pleasant cleansing experience and results with its rich effervescent lather. So this says it offers a pleasant cleansing experience and results with its rich effervescent lather, leaving skin feeling sleek and supple. Just a dime size amount of the product to massage the rich lather, gently 100 minutes thoroughly with tepid water. Okay, I'm gonna get my arm hand, a little bit wet, and then come back with even less than a dime size amount because this isn't the whole face, and see how it does. I don't necessarily anticipate this going well, but let's try. Let's try a little bit. Nothing is foaming. This is not foaming. 30 years later. I'm obviously not an impressionist. I'm gonna go rinse under the sink. So I got to the sink, right, and I thought it was gonna foam up once I got like all that water and I scrubbed it, but no, it didn't, and the lipstick's still there. Next up in here is the, ooh, another face thing. Gold Faden, oh my god, my tongue. Gold Faden MD. Treat the problem of uneven skin tones. So it's just a moisturizer. So now that we washed my hand, let's moisturize it. Obviously with like face washes and moisturizers, anything with your skin involved in it, you're not going to notice one thing one day and be like, oh my god, this is amazing. So, you know, first impressions on that, just don't go too well. It feels very lightweight but very moisturizing. Like it feels super like oily. I think I like this. I do have to try it obviously more. It's got like a very subtle sweet scent to it. I guess that's what gooseberry does. Next in the little bag is this. This is the Hikari Honeydew Cream Pigment. Ooh, okay. I don't know why I think I can open anything. This packaging sucks, but I mean it is sample packaging. Let me just watch it for ya. Not right here. It's actually really pretty. I do like that. Let me just throw that onto my eyeballs with the brush that we have. Gonna go in with, I guess, the shade side. nothing went on. Nothing happened. Let me try my finger. That definitely went on. Okay, let's give the brush a little bit of redemption. So let's try this one now with the brush, the blend side. Although I already blended in a lot of this on my eyes. The bristles feel kind of very stiff together. It doesn't feel like it would be that stiff, but once you apply it to the eyes, it does feel a touch stiff. It is still doing its purpose though in blending things out. It just doesn't feel like it would do like a huge wash of color, really. Which is good. You don't want all your blending brushes to do one thing. You want all your blending brushes to do a little bit of a different thing, so I do like it. Yeah, good job. Next thing in here, probably the last thing in here, yep, is a lipstick. Yes, yes, yes. Fix the BOXYCHARM. This is from Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip Color in the shade Uber Rose. Look how cute this packaging is. Very cute. Matches my ring. Like, look at this. I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, this is like my favorite color lipstick. The slant of it's very interesting. Normally it's much more of a like higher slant. Okay, because of the angle, you totally need a lip liner. I can't create sharp lines with this. I probably much prefer this with a lip liner as of right now. Not balanced. Let's talk about this bag. I actually think this is the first time I've liked the Ipsy bag, or like I've liked more products in the Ipsy bag than I did the BOXYCHARM bags. The brush is pretty good. I don't typically use shader brushes that much, but I do like it. It's like a lot more of a flimsy shader brush and something I really don't have in my collection as of yet. I have something similar, but not exactly like this. I don't like double-ended brushes, like I said though. So if I'm being 100% honest with you, I'm probably almost never going to use this. Like only when I travel and throw it into a bag will I use this, because my everyday brushes just sit in cups. I did like this. This was really pretty. It's a cream pigment. That might be why the shader brush didn't pick it up that well. As of right now, I really do like the moisturizer. It feels really nice. It went away really quickly and I still feel pretty moisturized, but not too creamy and oily. And then the cleansing foam didn't cleanse up, didn't foam up at all. So I don't know about that. But again, you know, you gotta use it all the time. Plus I don't like cleansing foams. I don't like things that foam up because most of the time it does strip you of your oils, so I actually am a little bit happy it didn't foam up too much. But again, you have to use something like this multiple times to actually tell if you like it. As of right now, I don't have any issues with it. It didn't sting, it didn't burn. And then this really, I do like the way it feels right now. It probably comes off super easily. Oh, matte easily. And then just a little bit of a lip liner would do it a lot better. Well, that's the end of this video. I don't like this just because I don't like glittery things. Plus, I think glitter is going to get everywhere, so I'll give this to a friend who needs a little baggie. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.